guys, it's your girl Taylor Mogul. I am here with Crown by Thorns Events, Tampa's top premier wedding planning, day of planning coordination, and design company here in Tampa Bay. I wanted to take you guys the process of me making a 2D, 3D mock-up for one of my clients. The first mock-up was for a previous event that we had in the Tampa Bay area. And now the mock-up that I'm designing is for a client that got married at a local barn venue. The bride really wanted to do everything simple. She was a DIY bride who did most of the design as far as making the centerpieces and more herself. But in the beginning, she kind of wanted some ideas. So my goal was to help her find some ideas for the event as far as decor. So I always start with trying to use a picture of the actual venue, just so it's able to be more realistic for the bride. And then I went ahead and added my ideas for this event as far as decor. Now, this is something we definitely do for our brides. We offer a service where not only do we design the event, we are able to provide all the recommendations for vendors, whether us providing the decor ourselves or working with vendors. We are able to provide the decor for you for your wedding. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.